Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. This week I'm going to be walking you through the process of registering your drone with the FAA. Now you may be wondering if this is required for all drone flyers. If your drone weighs less than 0.55 pounds, then registration is not required. If your drone weighs above that, then you should definitely consider registering your drone. There are two categories that you will fall under as a drone flyer. The first one being a Section 336 pilot or a hobbyist drone flyer. This is for those of you who bought a drone to fly for fun, not for commercial use. To register as a hobbyist drone flyer, go to the link in the description and access the FAA's drone registration page. Select the second option labeled Exception for Recreational Flyers and continue to create an account. Once you've activated your account, you will need to enter in all of your information and click Proceed to check out. There's a $5 registration fee. Once you have checked out, you will need to review the basic safety requirements for all drone users. Next, you will put in your payment information. Once you have paid for the registration, you should get a message with your personal drone ID number, which must be shown on the outside of your drone. This portion of the video is for those of you like me who are going to be using your drone for work, whether that may be making money here on YouTube or making videos or photos for customers. Here's what you need to do to register as a Part 107 drone flyer. Go to the link in the description below and access the FAA's drone registration page. Click on the first option to register under Part 107. You will need to create an account, verify an email address, and go through the process of entering your information, payment, and you should be presented with your unique drone ID number. Federal law requires all drones to be marked with their ID number. New laws specify that the number must be visible on the outside of the drone, not inside the battery compartment. You can label your number by either writing it on the drone, writing it on a piece of tape, or you can purchase customizable drone labels. I will link these in the description below. I found them to be very useful and they can be found on Amazon or you can purchase them from many other websites.